Can you see that? I hope so. It's pretty heavy. Hello and welcome to a very exciting video. Now, I have never really done an unboxing video. However, I thought today we should do an unboxing video because this is a very exciting bit of equipment that we have kindly been donated from the guys at Bilstein. Now, when you think of Bilstein, you think of race car, E36, suspension, coilovers, you know, that sort of stuff, the race car vibe. Now that is exactly what Bilstein is. They're an extremely good suspension company. But other things need suspension. Other things than race cars need suspension. I was fortunate enough through work to have a little tour of Bilstein UK headquarters from Aaron, but we won't name Aaron because he's actually Professor Xavier. So from now on we shall name Aaron Professor. We've been talking for ages, we've been talking for a couple of years basically. We were originally supposed to sort out a kit for the old BMW. That one didn't end up so well. And now we're doing a kit for the new E36 and I'm so excited. So if you don't know, Bilstein, like I said earlier, I got a special tour from Aaron, Professor Charles, at Bilstein, and I had no idea, but they supply a lot of OEM manufacturers, so car manufacturers like Land Rover, Jaguar, Caterham, all sorts. Like, there's too many to list. I physically cannot remember all of them. As well as that, like tanks and stuff. Tanks have suspension, so they have a whole load of military stuff that they do. But on to the main aim of today, and that is unboxing this. This is the Bilstein B16 Coilover Kit. I will leave any technical information about the kit in the description because A, I'm unprepared and haven't read about the kit for this video, and B, it's more of an unboxing and see what we get inside because I've never done an unboxing video and I want to do one right now. So, without further ado, let's crack on and open this bad boy up. If you're not already part of the Talk Nation, what are you doing? Like and subscribe. A huge thanks to Bilstein UK for sorting me out with a kit for the car. I'm so excited because I feel like the coilovers that are on it now, I don't know how long they've been on there for. It's old, it's an old car. So a freshen up with this B16 kit should be absolutely phenomenal. So let's crack on and open this bad boy. Let's see what's inside. I presume this is how you do an unboxing. You kind of film the top and the sides being cut. Oh yes. And amazing, it's a box inside of a box. So, first thing we do is cut off the sellotape. Aha! More exciting, it's another box inside of another box inside of a box. I am so excited, you have no idea. These out of the way. Okay, are you ready to see the madness? Got a little package inside of here. Oh yeah, das instructions, yeah, for fitting. And some Bilstein stickers, yeah, that is good. Put these to the side. Okay, let's do one at a time because this is just so freaking exciting. Oh, look at it! Oh my god. Oh my god. But that is a Bilstein B16 Coilover. Oh, look how freaking sexual that is. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's one of the coilovers. Let's fast forward and get out the other stuff, and if I come across something new, then we'll stop. Oh, I get down. Oh no. Okay, so we have springs for the rears, which are those two, the front coilovers, and I'm yet to open the dampers, so let's do that right now. Along with top mounts and C-spanners as well. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's like the sheer quality of this is like insane. So on here, you won't be able to see, but I'll do some close-up shots in a minute. There's like a dial for, I presume how hard you want the ride. Obviously the B16 kit is a fully adjustable, height adjustable and dampening adjustable kit, which is mega impressive. So not only will I be able to control how hard the dampers kind of compress for the car, so how hard my ride will be, I'll also be able to like control how low I want to go for like low life, you know. So it's gonna be like well low, don't you know? It's gonna be like rolling like Charles Xavier's wheels, don't you know? Like on his scooter thing. So yeah, that's basically the Bilstein B16 kit unboxing video. Again, thank you so much, Charles, for the kit. This is absolutely unbelievable. I cannot wait to be fitting this on the car. The even more exciting thing is, because I have to go down to Paddock to get this all fitted, so I'm going back to Paddock Motors, Paddock Performance on Instagram, to get all of this stuff fitted, I have to pass by track car door cards, which again is going to be another video, and I shall show you what we're going to do with those as well, so that's really exciting. I'm absolutely over the moon, I'm overwhelmed, like I've never had proper shiny new bits that are going to make a serious difference to my car. I am so excited to fit this. Good Lord. Thank you so much, Bilstein. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not already part of the Tool Nation, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, Bilstein. Absolutely overwhelmed. See you in the next video. Peace out. And I apologise for this bunk lighting. Let me show you my lighting setup. You know those lamps that people have that you have to touch to like make turn on? That's what I'm using right now, look. So apologies for that.